Hi, my name is Ariella. Living a hectic lifestyle in a busy metropolitan has its perks, but also its dangers: stress and pollution. Oxygen, moisture, and cell renewal are crucial to health. Radiance, luminosity, and skin-treated glow irradiates youth and vitality. I like to start my morning with pleasantly scented, moisturizing micellar milk. Micelle capsules work like a magnet to attract impurities and work effortlessly for a safe, non-irritating cleansing process. With wet fingers, I massage it into my face, neck, and décolleté, and do not forget to use it around my lips to remove any lipstick residue. After rinsing it off, I proceed with innovative silk-like Hydrofusion concentrate serum to infuse my skin with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and protective botanical extracts. I massage it into my face, neck, and décolleté to boost metabolism and cell renewal and delay aging for a radiant, even-toned, and younger-looking appearance. The next step is to pet in gently Radiance Firm Day Cream, a luxurious cream that fights dullness, sagging, and supplies long-lasting hydration. Natural tensors in the formula have a visible lifting effect, leaving the skin glowing, even-toned, and supple. To complete my morning routine, I take care of the delicate area around my eyes by applying a uniform layer of multi-benefit Eye Capture eye cream and massage it in until completely absorbed. Combining peptides, natural tensor ingredients, and moisturizers, it blurs fine lines, reduces puffiness, lightens dark circles for a luminous appearance. In the evening, I apply onto my cleansed face, neck, and décolleté my Acids Radiance Reveal Serum. Based on alpha-hydroxyl acids and powerful botanical actives, it stimulates collagen production, delays the aging process, and enhances a luminous, vibrant appearance. Last but not least, I apply Velvety Satin Smooth Night Cream on face, neck, and décolleté. Packed with amino acids and giant kelp extract, it boosts cell energy, collagen, and elastin synthesis for elastic, rejuvenated, firm, and even tone appearance. To boost glow, I treat my skin to a weekly 3 to 5 minute application of Oxygen Peel on clean, dry skin. Combining pineapple and mulberry enzymes and salicylic acid, the peel gently exfoliates and replenishes cells with oxygen and energy, instantly restoring a revitalized, even-toned, radiant appearance.